Right, today we got a square LED light, street light. This is a humongous light. Has plenty of LED lights with fixtures. If you can see on there, it has an on and off button. It has a sensor, motion sensor for anybody walking by. It comes with the actual heavy duty extra reinforcement bar. If you don't have a place to set up, you can always put it on a pipe too. And they give you a wrench, and then also for concrete installation. So we're gonna set this up today, but first let me take a look at the controller. The controller is very simple. On and off button, plus and minus for the solar, for the how many lumens you want to light up, and then you got a timer, 3 hours, 5 hours, 8 hours, and you got auto. Auto will automatically dusk to dawn will turn on, and then the motion sensor on. So we're gonna put this to use and see how well it works. So let's put it together.